Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how you can simply leave a Telegram channel. So to leave a Telegram channel, the first thing to do is to open up the Telegram app on your mobile. Then from there you have to navigate to a particular channel, Telegram channel that you will like to leave. So once you figure that out, just tap on it. For example, I'm just going to tap on one of these Telegram. Then you hit the Telegram channel at the top. You hit the button. Then from there, the first thing you see is the leave option, which is among the first tab after the channel's name. Then tap on leave. Then once you tap on leave, then you prompt will come up. Then that's when you confirm you're leaving. Then if you are the creator of that channel, just tap on the three dots, which is the more button. Then the options to leave the channel will be there, and as well as you can also clear the message or also delete the message in that group or the channel, or that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.